Hello. Are you looking to quickly understand the key elements of a tax-free savings account in Canada? If that's the case, in this video series, I will go through and explain what are TFSAs, and it's called TFSA 101. Now, really quickly, if you are new to my videos or channel, welcome. My name is Joanne, and this channel is Investing in Canada 101, where I cover a range of topics on how to invest in Canada, be it the TFSAs, RRSPs, real estate, and other investment vehicles. So if you have any interest in that content, I welcome you to hit the subscribe button and also to hit the bell button below where you'll be notified whenever I go live or upload a new video. All right, what is this series going to cover? This series is going to cover what exactly a tax-free savings account is, what are the contribution limits and how they work, what you can hold in a tax-free savings account, and finally end with comparing the tax-free savings account with the registered retirement savings plan. So let's get started. What is a tax-free savings account? Well, a tax-free savings account, also known as a TFSA, was introduced in Canada in 2008 federal budget and went live in 2009 with the first initial contribution room of $5,000. There's a lot of fine detail, and with any kind of program, there's some exceptions. But the key thing is, this program is really for residents of Canada who've reached the age of majority, which is 18 years of age. In some provinces, the age of majority is 19, or the age where they can enter into a contract is 19 years of age. And what happens is when they do turn 19, they basically accumulate the 2 years of contribution room that they would have gotten when they were 18 and 19. It was implemented by the federal government basically to encourage Canadians to save and help them to meet their savings goals. The key thing about a tax-free savings account is that the income earned within a tax-free savings account is not taxable. So that's your first video. Join me for the next video on the other elements of a tax-free savings account.